PBS Kids airplane logo bloopers. Cut. Why you guys are so fast? Anyways, take two. Cut. Guys, why are you so slow? It's okay. Let's try again. Take four. I mean three. Cut. You guys are not supposed to be binoculars. This is not binoculars. This is airplane. Anyways, take four. Cut. It's not above the big box. This is supposed to be airplane. Never mind. Take five. Cut. This is not cave. This is airplane. Oops, sorry. It's okay. Take six. Cut. This is not notes. This is airplane. It's sorry. It's okay. Take seven.
I knew it.
Cut. This is not skipping rocks. This is airplane. Anyways, take eight. Cut. This is not airship. This is cave. I mean, this is airplane. Take nine. Cut. This is not submarine. This is airplane. Take nine. Cut. This is not sunrise. This is airplane. Anyways, take 10.
PBS Kid.
Cut. This is not puddles. This is airplane. Whoa. Take 11.
PBS Kid.
Cut. This is not magnet. This is airplane. Take 12.
Celebrating 40 years of excellence, this is WBGU-TV, Bowling Green, Ohio, a public service of Bowling Green State University.
Cut. Guys, this is not photo booth. This is airplane. Anyways, take 13.
PBS Kid.
Cut. This is not bubbles. This is airplane. Okay, this is the last take. If you screw up and I'm done. take 4. No. Take 6. 15. Okay. That's it. We are done. That's it. Next, going to be photo booth. You're fired now.